Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fur hood on Dress to Impress with no VIP needed. So we are going to, use any fur coat that you want. I'm just going to use the basic fur coat. Then I'm going to select this fur hat. Position the Y to 35. 0.35 and then the Z to 0.35 as well. We're going to rotate the X to 0.57 and we're going to scale it all the way to 0.76. If the hair comes out like this, I suggest you just adjusting your hair to the hood here, as I'm doing right now. Then I'm just going to grab this halo. You can color it to whatever you want. I think I might go with a brown color. I don't know, we'll see what I want to color that. Position the Y to 0.56. Sorry, that's the X. And then the Z to 0.95. We're going to rotate the X to 0.35. And we're going to scale it all the way to 0.79. Like this. You can make some adjustments if you want, like the colors and whatnot, but that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. You can kind of adjust it if you want it to be a little bit on the higher side, so you can kind of see that a little bit better. But it's totally up to you, how you want to adjust it. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.